This video will show you how to copy the title, the introduction, and the readings from Sakai into Canvas. Now you're ready to start building courses. In Sakai, navigate to the Lessons page or Units page and open in a separate window as we have here. Next, go to your Canvas tab and the example course and select modules. For each week, complete the following: the title of the assignment, the introduction, the readings, the multimedia, discussion name, assignments, quizzes, and reminders if there are any. You'll see in lessons there may or may not be information in different sections. You're going to have to look at each section and see if that corresponds to what's in Canvas. So for example, here we have the title, we have a brief overview, and some learning outcomes. So let's go to Canvas and the same week. So we'll select modules instead of lessons. So first we're going to look at the title. We're going to come over to the side here and we're going to select Edit. We're going to go to Sakai. I'm going to see the title is Unit 1, Physical Education, Exercises, Sport Defined. We're going to copy that and paste it here. And then select Update Module. Next, we're going to go back to Sakai, and I'm going to highlight this overview. We're going to copy that. We're going to go to Introduction next. In Introduction, again, you're going to come over, hit the Edit button. And now this overview section here, we're going to paste the information. You can see that's the same. Now I also have learning outcomes. Let's go back to Sakai. And I can see I have learning outcomes, so I'm going to copy these outcomes, go back to Canvas, and paste them here as bullet points. You can see that the bullet point didn't show up for this outcome. So go ahead and put your cursor at the beginning, hit backspace, and come down. I see I also have an extra word here, edit. I want to remove that. So you may have extra information that you don't want. Be sure to look at the content you have before you click Save. Make sure it's good, and then come down here and click Save. Now you've completed the introduction page. Next, you want to hit the Next button. The next thing we see are readings. Let's go back to Sakai. And in Sakai, I can see there are no readings this week. So I'm going to go back to my Canvas page. And each page is just a template. So since we don't have any readings, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to hit Delete. I want to delete that page. Most courses have readings, so let's see how we copy that information over. Notice you don't have to hit the Edit button in Sakai. You can just drag your cursor, copy the information, go over to Canvas, select Readings, and Edit, and start pasting your information. So there was some introductory text I'm going to put there first. Notice that we want things in APA format. If you have that information in your course, please follow this format. If you don't worry about it. Just copy it the way it is in Sakai. So here we do have it in APA format. So we're going to copy this information, come back to Canvas. And since this was italicized, since that's APA, make sure that you italicize it there. And this is the chapter that we want to read. And since there's no other chapters, we're going to remove this. Go back to Sakai. And you can see that we have a hyperlink. So let's talk about that. We're going to copy this information and paste it here. Sometimes the information comes over, but it may be linked to Sakai, so we first want to remove that link by clicking the Remove Link tool right here. Go back to Sakai and let's select this link. Make sure that it opens, and it does, and then we'll copy this link here. Go back to Canvas. When you do a hyperlink, always highlight the text, use the Link tool, paste it in the box, and then hit Insert Link. make sure you save your document. We'll check our work. We can see that we have the reading. We have it in APA format. Let's check the link, and you can see the link opens to the right page. So we've done everything right. In this video, we've discussed the title of each unit, the introduction, and learning outcomes and overviews, if any. We've also discussed the readings. Please follow this format when copying your course from Sakai into Canvas. Thank you for watching this training video on how to migrate courses from Sakai into Canvas. If you have any questions, please contact ITT support at apu.edu.